Let's make the Odd Old F. The Odd Old F is a Cuban Old Fashioned, or a rum Old Fashioned, a cough or a Roth. I called it the Odd Old F for two reasons. Number one, it's got some odd ingredients in it. And number two, there used to be an old man that walked around my neighborhood and he really liked old fashions. And he was an odd old F himself. In any case, I had some onion syrup that I had to figure out what to do with, and I thought, well, let's make an old fashioned with it. And this is what I came up with. Note that I do make my own onion syrup recipes here on the channel. Link to the video will be down below if you'd like to check it out. A note on the rum. This drink calls for Paranubes rum. If you can't get your hands on Paranubes, feel free to try some other rums. And if you find something that works really well in this cocktail, feel free to let me know what it is. To make this drink, we're going to start by putting 2 ounces of the Paranubes rum into our mixing glass. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. Next, 1/2 ounce of our onion syrup. 1/2 ounce is 15 milliliters. Half a teaspoon of Ancho Reyes Verde. Half a teaspoon is 2.5 milliliters. And finally, celery bitters. And I've got this tiny little sample bottle of scrappy celery bitters, scrappies. I'm going to say 2 to 3 dashes, depending on your taste. This comes out in drops, so I'm going to do a bunch. And then 3 for the gnome. Add your ice and give it a stir. Now that the drink is chilled, I'm going to get a fancy ice cube. I'll be right back with you. Fancy ice cube in hand, I'm going to put that in my old-fashioned glass. And I'm going to strain my drink on top of it. Garnish is going to be a twist of lemon. Oh, that's not a very good twist. I should start using a cheese grater. That's better. Express, wipe, and drop. And if you wanted to add something like a celery leaf or something like that, that might be cool, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to drink it like this. And there you have it, the Odd Old F. Drink with good spirits. Question of the day, what is the oddest old fashioned you've ever had? What flavors were involved? Double points if you give me the recipe, triple points if there's rum involved. Note there are ways to support the channel if you're so inclined. I have t-shirts. You can have a t-shirt. If you want a t-shirt, contact me through any of the social media links down below. We'll get you a t-shirt. And while you're at the social media links, you might as well follow, subscribe, and do that sort of thing. Finally, if you made it this far, give me a like, give me a subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on anything that I do. And until next time,